Hi. Before I do my next video on something, I think I should organize my project folder a little bit. As you can see, I'm starting to get more and more objects in here, and it's going to get a little confusing when I'm trying to find something if I don't organize this a little bit better. In the project window, there's this little tab here in the top, and I'm using a one-column layout. You guys probably were using a two-column layout by default, and your project window looked like this. When you would press something, you'd see the things on the side. But the way I have my windows laid out, that wasn't really working. There wasn't a lot of space. Over here, I could just change it. You could change it to mine, which is a one-column layout. Now, in this project folder, I could do things like create folders. And then I'm going to make a folder here for my textures to try to keep them in one spot all together. And the textures I have that I used on my terrain, that was the grass. I'm going to drop it in there. The rock, I'm going to drop it in there. And the water, I'm going to drop it in there. Then I probably can make a folder for things like my C# scripts. So I'll make another, oops, that folder popped in the wrong spot. Let me just drag it up to the top level. Okay, now I'll click on it to rename it. Make a folder for my C# scripts. Here's one. Put that in there. Here's another one. Put that in there. Make sure I drag them, drop them in the right folder. There's my scripts. And there's my textures. See, so now this, here's another script, random mover. Let me just drop it in there. Okay, so I got my scripts here, got my textures here. Then there's stuff assets that I downloaded from the internet, and those are the ones. Those are the ones that really wind up kind of messing me up when they have all these folders here. This one was a Skybox package. I think what I want to do for the things I downloaded off the internet, I just think I want to add a folder and put all the things, right click, add a folder, asset store. All the things I got from the asset store I want to drop in there. So I'm going to take this Skybox package, I'm going to put it in there. These are the trees that I got from my landscape, put it in there. And I'm going to leave standard assets out because, no, you know what? I'm going to put them in there too. That's something, it was an imported package from the standard assets of Unity, but I'll stick them in the asset store folder too, just to simplify things. And, okay, I'm going to watch this chicken video for my wife. That's the end.